Okay, so I'm doing a review on my 9-inch Anomaly stiletto tactical automatic knife with speckled black handle. It's a basically just a 9-inch. I call it my rainbow knife, and yeah, it's basically just to get that like really cool titanium finish on the metal, and it has like a little speckled handle. Yeah, so I really just like it. This is like mainly just my self-defense knife. So yeah, I think it's called pinwheel or pin lock. The locking mechanism. So yeah, it's a pretty good knife. It cost me, get the paper. Cost me $16.95 for it, and the tax was free because Blade was give it ships to anywhere in America for free. So pretty good knife website and bladeplay is, except it a little overcharges you for some stuff. And I could get like something like this for like $10 at like the flea market. So yeah. Sometimes the only problem I have with this knife, sometimes it will like open like this normally, and then sometimes it will like, let me try to see if it'll do it. Well, sometimes it just won't open correctly. Like it will open to like right about there, and then like bounce back. So yeah, pretty good knife. Comes with a little carrying sheath, little thing to hook it on. So yeah, pretty good knife. Please like, comment, and subscribe.